3 freaking months.
Where the heck was I? Well, I was on a long trip to Saturn. What? I'm Elon's friend. Well, it was 2 months ago when someone at my Discord server said that 2025 needs to be insane. That was exactly what I felt. But it got me thinking what exactly would make 2025 special. But it didn't take me a long time, and I knew what I'd have to do. It was time to do the one thing that you all have been telling me for the last 2 years. I have to tell you, this is it. This right here is the new scope, and I think it would not even fit in the frame, but still, you can see it. Okay, so the mirror of this scope right here has a focal length of 700mm and a diameter of 60mm, which is a pretty powerful telescope, and that's what excites me to test it out. And I guess now it's time to let it happen. Alright, so let's open it up like this. Here's, oh my god. Here it is. So here it is from the inside, and there are boxes in boxes. So they're kind of like so many boxes. Okay, so the first thing I see while opening it up is I think it's the accessory tray. Then we have this. I think it's the mount. The next thing we see is the accessory box. That's struggled. Yeah, I think these are the tripod legs. Yeah, these are the legs. This is it. This is the main telescope tube. This is how it looks. This is it. Let's check out the mirror. Look at the cap. How big it is. Look at the mirror. Look at this. Now these are the tripod legs, and if I check them out, they're like this. And if you look closely, which means that they can fold, and my knees are safe. This is the accessory tray right here. This is for keeping our eyepieces rather than just keeping it on the ground. This right here is a pretty good mount. You see right here, oh my god. If you see right here, this is the mount of the new telescope. So this is the main thing. This has all of the accessories for this telescope. We're gonna check it out. The thing you see is this. I think it's for the tripods, I think. These are all the screws, and this is a slow motion knob, I think. This is for very minute movements of the telescope. 2 barrel lenses. 2. Not 1, but 2. So one is 1.5 and the second is 3x. We're gonna cook the astrophotography community. And then this is a really good finder scope. If you look, I really like this one. But this is the star diagram. This is our diagonal, and this right here is the moon filter. It's apparently for the full moon. When it's full moon, the moon is so bright it can even harm your eyes. So these are pretty much all the accessories, and it also has 3 eyepieces. One is 20mm, one is 12.5, and the third one is 4mm. Alright, so let us assemble the scope pretty quick, and then we're gonna test it.
20 minutes ago, there were no clouds in the sky and the sky was full of stars. But now, if you just look right up, there are clouds everywhere. Anyways, we're still gonna try it, and let's start our observation with Jupiter.